Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well today. So today I'm going to do a quick video tutorial on how you adjust your payout settings, whether you want to make it daily, weekly, monthly, fortnightly. So there's actually two different ways this needs to be done. It depends on whether you have a personal account or a business account, and I'm going to go through both of them very quickly. Okay, so let's get into the video today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do it on a personal account. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go over to eBay. We do, whether that be ebay.com, .uk, .ie. Okay. So next thing we need to do is go to my eBay. Next thing go down to selling. Click on that. Okay. So once we're on that, we need to go down to should be our payout schedule, payments here. So click on this on the left hand side, right down the bottom. Okay. Give it a moment. This can be a bit slow sometimes. So once you see this screen here, you need to go down to this one here. So it says payout schedule. So once you know your payout schedule, click on that. Okay, so in here now it says payout schedule. How frequently do you want to receive your payouts? Now this is often how we automatically send your available funds to you. So mine is set to daily. I do not want to change that. Then we have the choices of weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, and then you just click save. So I'm going to leave it what it is. I don't need to hit save. And it's as simple as that for a personal account. Now, for a business account, on the other hand, you come to eBay as well. You log into your account as you would. Next thing, you just click on My eBay. So just click straight on it. Okay, so once you get to the seller hub, you need to go over to payments. So it's the sixth one over from the left. So click on that. Or you could go down to payout settings as well, either. But if you just click on payments, it can be the easiest way, and go to payout settings right on the left hand side. Okay, so just waiting to get into that. So down here there's also the option of payout schedule, so we can change that. So click on change. And again, you're back to the same screen again. You can edit your payout frequency, daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly. If you do it fortnightly or weekly or monthly, it's always on Tuesday. So just so you know that, then click save, and that's it done. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thank you all very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.